So if you want to start using Love8 app here or the app itself, well, there are a few things that you need to do here. So first things first is we want to install or add the app into our mobile device. So you want to open up your Android device here, open up Google Play Store, and you want to go and click on search. Go to the search bar here and just search for Love8. Now in the Love8 app, you want to go and just open it up, click on install, and just wait for a while in order for the app to be installed in your device. Now, typically, the app will just take a few seconds to install, but once it's done, it should give you the option to basically start setting it up. Now, by the way, there's a whole setup process, and typically the setup process just requires you to follow the on-screen steps. But once it's done, let's go and just basically click on the open button. And from here, just wait for the app to boot up. Now, again, like what I said, there's a bit of setup here that you need to do. Let's go and just click on the screen here to proceed on the next step. And you want to go and just sign up in your account. Now, you can go and choose your Facebook, Google, or your email account here to sign up. Let's go and choose our Google account. And let's go and just choose our account in here. Let's go and click on one of our email addresses. Now, in here, what we need to do next is we want to go and click on agree and share. Once we've done that, it should basically load up the screen for Love8. Now, again, there's a whole setup process here, so you just need to answer the necessary questions. Let's go and just answer this one. Click on continue. And on the next screen, it's going to say top view uncovered traits. Let's go and click on the top to view option here. And from here, you can go and answer yes or I'm single. And click on continue. Now, go ahead and just answer the following questions here. And once you answer the questions and you have your account set up, you should be able to basically set up your account. Let's go and click on continue. Let's go and click on maybe later. And let's go and choose this one. Click on continue. Now, once you are in the main screen here for Love8, what you need to do is you just need to enter your partner's matching code in here. And once you've entered it, that should basically match you with the account. Now, yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.